They say more money, more problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the motherfucking problems. They say more money, more problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the motherfucking problems. Hey.
Feeling young, but he treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew up by it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. Outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here. Outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you go another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who love me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, keep turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's loving when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, that gave me this ability. Now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, it wouldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I don't know, it's stemming in my heart, it's that maturity. And we don't keep it on the same ones with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here. Outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Yeah.
Gotta roll over till you gotta get my release. Spread your legs downtown, I'm going out to leave. And the wrong hours when the right niggas leave. I'ma roll on them forever, let her roll on me. Split this one down the middle, wake up now I'm a knee. Boy, sick of worrying, it's just a worrying. I'd rather bury them, I'm talking fake friends, skeleton. Early morning shorty wasn't lawyer, signed to Sullivan. I'm never settling, and the shit get darker than my melanin. At the crib all by myself, the shit be giving this. Scrolling through my call like my emojis, I'm saving them. I'm hard out the beach with my hoes, but I favorite them. The butterfly emoji on me down, and all my favorites them. Every demon face won't push away, you got the K on them. I go bread and said about your niggas way down. They say a couple bitches do like I'm from K-Town. Know their position, you know I sit with the face down. I'm never content to mill a van and get every queen. I make it spin to me to sin. I'm dropping the top, I tip for the win. I'm dropping the top, cause I'm trying to spin. She dropping the top, she back again. Fucking she at the club again. Company. I let it slide when I really should've slid. After all the shit I did, look how they repaying me back. Now follow my rib. Tell me what type of payment is that? I put that on my kid and my trust, yeah.
No outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here. Outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me.
Gang the shit out of me, man.
Love me, save me, tell me, try me. All you do is lie to me. Taking me for granted, I could tell. All you do is lie to me. Lies don't excite me, I'm lonely. Need more than a homie. Taking me for granted, I could tell.
Don't fuck with me, don't fuck with me.